Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to do a video to show y'all these bomb faux locks on a synthetic wig. It is so cute! You know we love faux locks, y'all, so if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just getting ready to show y'all the construction of the cap. This is a lace front wig. Again, it is synthetic. This is a Bobbi Boss unit from their What Lace line. And half the wig is lace, so that's why I really like this wig. I get more lace on here, child, and I do some human hair wigs, but that's neither here nor there. This is the adjustable straps in the back. It comes with combs. Boom, there it is. Okay, y'all, so I want to show y'all what the scalp look like on a mannequin so you can see it better. Now, this is a synthetic wig, so of course the knots are not bleached at all. That's just how good the lace looks. So this is the back of the wig where the tracks are. And remember I told you like the lace comes back really far on this wig, which is really good. The lace starts here and it comes all the way down there. So if I pull this down, this will be the front. And this is where the track starts. Right here. Now, because the front to me takes the most detailing, I'm gonna start with the back, and I'm gonna start with the middle and then work my way down. The reason I'm gonna do that is because you don't want to start at the bottom and then you only got a certain amount of hair up here left and you trying to figure out how this gonna work because you trying to cover a bald spots. Like, let's go on and take care of the most important areas back here, which is the basically the hair right here under the lace, because we want to make sure that when we lay these dreads in, child, that the wig not really showing, you know. And everything down here, that's, you know, we can work that out real easy, but this is the most important part. So we're gonna start here, work down, and then we're gonna do the front. Boom. Okay, here we go. So y'all seen many videos, child. If y'all don't know how to put a hook on a needle by now, I don't know what to tell you. But just in case it's your first time, we're gonna boom, go in through the base, insert the hook, put the hair on the hook, pull it through, pull both ends through the one hole. And for this, y'all, I just wrapped it around. So follow the natural wrapping of the lock, whatever brand you use. It has a natural way that the lock flows. That's what I was doing. I was just unwrapping it a little bit and wrapping it around, wrapping it a little bit. Same thing. You know, normally you can pull the hair through. You don't have to unwrap it. But since my parts were really thick in some areas, I didn't want to struggle, child, trying to pull all that hair through this little bitty lock. So it was easier just to unwrap, wrap it around, unwrap, wrap it around. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. I did that for every lock. Like I said, you don't have to pull that joint through. You can just wrap it around.
I guess it things so clear now. I was roaming around. Man, I think my conscience was out. I lost so much of me. Didn't think that I could be found. But I'm here now. Yeah, I'm here now. Hey, yeah.
I did half of it. And I'm going to show y'all the other half. This is just the 16 inches in. And I'm going to do the extensions last. So, because that's going to be really easy. And I'll show y'all how I did that. And then this is the other side. Look at my parts. Don't they look so clean? So I got clean parts here. I'm going to count my dreads at the end. I'll let y'all know how many I have in my head. And it's 24 dreads that come in the pack too. And then this is the back on this side. So for these, I'm gonna space these out a little bit more up here. Like I told y'all before, I did the back first in terms of like rubber bands and stuff. So as I did this, I knew what to change here. So I went in here and made them smaller. So the same thing I'm gonna do right here and here. pull it apart into 2 pieces. Like so, like that. Shout out to Tab. Okay, and then this is the piece. We're going to open the loop a little bit. And I got this from, I forgot the YouTuber name. I think her name is Marie or something. But you're gonna put one of the pieces through the loop. Let's start this again. Boom, you're gonna put a piece through the loop and tie a knot. Tie a knot, and then basically you're just gonna wrap, going down and going up. Just to give y'all some details on this hair, first, 24 locks come in a pack. I bought 8 packs, but I only used 5, and that includes me extending the locks. This hair is 16 inches, as you can see now. I don't know how long they are now, but I'm sure they're probably like 28 to 30 inches long, or probably 30 inches long. What else? Of course, as the locks get older, they're going to stick together a little bit. I personally like that because it makes them look more realistic, but overall, I really like the hair. It was really cool for the price. And there you have it.
You know, you know, you know. Why did it take so long to see? I was walking around blind, didn't know the light was inside of me. Thought it was on the outside. Thought it was respectable and fine. If I just believed in you, but now the mirror is clean, and now I see.